3 bedrooms, 1 level with a great meadow view in gorgeous Saddle Lake Farms. Colleen and David Black, Keller Williams Realty. Call on Colleen.
I'm James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday morning, the 10th of November. What a soaker across the state. Big-time rains. So far, amounts are generally between 1 and 2 inches, and the rain just keeps on coming this morning. Let's look at some of the Skycam shots. Here's a look at the Mobile camera, and actually, down there, the weather is improved radically as the rain is greatly tapered off, and in some cases, the rain is ended. With all of the rain now inland from what used to be Ida, now it's becoming a big extratropical storm. Here's the Auburn Skycam down in Lee County. Good rain falling there. And in Montgomery, it's the Eastern Bypass on a very wet Tuesday morning. You can clearly see that Ida does not look like a tropical storm anymore, and really it's not. It's becoming a mid-latitude type system. And we'll check the radar. That's at 4:56 this morning. And oddly enough, the heaviest rain is falling up in northwest Alabama. The models did not handle the QPF placement very well. All along, they've been putting the bullseye between Mobile and Anniston. Well, certainly everybody had a lot of rain in there, but by golly, the heaviest rain right now is falling in places like Sulligent and Winfield and Double Springs and Smith Lake. In the northwestern part of the state, notice how the rain has ended down south. The rain is over from Monroeville, Mobile, Atmore, Evergreen, places like that. And this thing is beginning to make the turn to the east, so all of that rain should be moving slowly eastward today. There's the not the QPF, but the rain estimates coming from the next rad today. And look at that, the heaviest rain over there on the Alabama-Mississippi border. And so again, the idea of the placement of the heaviest rain between Mobile and Anniston just didn't work this time. Now, of course, we'll still have more rain today, but certainly the western side of the state had more rain than the guidance suggested. And again, everybody getting just some good rains there. Those yellows, that's 3 inches or so, down around places like Linden and Butler, and then down toward Monroeville. Here's a look at the big picture this morning, and you can see the center of the system is still way down south. The bulk of the heavy rain really far away from the center. As we've talked about, this thing has made the transformation. The surface low still shows up just south of Mobile Bay. And that thing is going to be moving east and then slowly turning southeast down toward Tampa Bay. So with time, the rain will be ending later today. Of course, with all the rain, we have flash flood watches for a pretty good chunk of the deep south, much of Alabama and Georgia. Over in Mississippi, that's a wind advisory over there. And again, there's the QPF chart, and that's still got the idea from Mobile to Anniston, and it looks like that's not going to quite work out. And boy, it's awfully hard to draw those maps with a system that is going through this change like it is now. But after today, all the rain moves on to the east. Look at modeling. This is the 06ZGFS at noon today. And, of course, that weakness in the flow there, that's what used to be Ida. And down below, the surface low as of midday should be somewhere around old Pensacola maybe. It's making that east turn right on the coast. But the center really is not that important because the rain is so broad here. Tomorrow, the center is around Tampa Bay. Heaviest rain should be up over the Carolinas, and we go dry, the sky becoming mostly sunny. Model suggesting maybe some lingering light rain down in southeast Alabama. Thursday, a bright sunny day here. What's left of Ida just kind of hangs around off the southern Atlantic coast. Friday should be a beautiful day. Great night for the high school playoff games. Saturday starting off the weekend. How about a nice day for some college football across the Deep South? Everybody looks to be in good shape. Low 70s likely. Sunday, pretty much the same deal, but we note a cold front to the northwest. And look at this now. Monday of next week, a very vigorous upper-low feature just northwest of us, and that shortwave rotating through here, and that would suggest a day with a nice round of showers and maybe some thunder if we can get some instability involved, certainly with cold air aloft like that. So we will mention a chance of rain or storms on Monday, and then Tuesday of next week, a week from today, that system is gone. End of the forecast, 25th of November. Whoa, Nelly! Well, look, this thing will be gone in the next run. We all know that. We've seen most of the runs where the polar jet is up in Canada. All of a sudden, we have this phased incredible trough up and down the mighty Mississippi. And if that's right, have a big old storm event and then sharply colder. But again, don't get too excited because we all know this is in voodoo country. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video by 3:30 or so today. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Each day, there are new stories to tell about the people who live here and the place we call home.
All of the faces that I see, all of the places close to me, they're all part of all the best things about home.
Sharing your stories on ABC 3340, Alabama's news leader.